Here at Age Rejuvenation, we know how hard it is to get to a clinic to see a practitioner in person. One exciting change that we have here at Age Rejuvenation is we've developed a more remote way of discussing your medical needs with a medical provider. This allows you to be in the comfort of your own home or business and have a discussion with the provider to meet the same needs as you would if you came to our clinic.
I was educated about every program that they have. They made an individual treatment plan based upon my needs, my desires, and my labs.
I've shown steady improvement, and I've got a ways to go yet. At the last 3 months, had lost 5 pounds, not just 5 pounds, but I'd lost 5 pounds of fat.
The good news about the treatments that they have, they're not extreme, they're all tailored for your body and really maximizing your metabolism, your own body chemistry to make it so that you can heal well, recover well, and feel a lot better.
So if you struggle to get to our clinic or live farther away from where we're currently located, I give you a chance to be able to give it a try and we'll make you happy.